Okay, I'll just show you how to use Apple CarPlay in this 2019 VW Polo. You need your charging lead, the USB end. There's two USB sockets under here. We'll just get that in there. It's not easy when you've got big hands and you're trying to get it in the wrong way around. Then plug into your phone. Watch this. Connection will be established via Apple CarPlay. That's it, Apple CarPlay, it's come up straight away. If it's the first time you've done it, you may have to just accept that you can, here you go, finish setting up CarPlay, that's it. So now you've finished setting up CarPlay, here we go, allow Apple CarPlay with Volkswagen while phone is locked, allow. That's the screen I was trying to show you, but it didn't come up as it normally does. So that's it. So now you don't need to touch your phone at all. If you want to play anything from here, you can use the touch controls like so. But even better, you can instruct your phone by saying, "Hey Siri, play Glory by The Score."
Glory by The Score now playing on Apple Music.
Even better than that, there's a voice activation button here. So I'm just going to put this, hopefully, I'll just show you. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
I'll just cut that off. But so you press the voice activation button for 2 seconds, over 2 seconds. That brings up the Siri baseball spinning round, and then you just tell it what you want it to do. So that was calling me, and as you could see, it was answering. It was my phone, so it was answering there. So we'll do it again. Text Barry.
Seems like you usually message Barry with messages, so I'll use that one. What do you want to say?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Polo. It's absolutely fantastic.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Polo. It's absolutely fantastic. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
You'll see there, new messages come up on the Apple CarPlay system. Also, I'll just show you, as I say, you don't need to touch it, but I'll just put it on a different screen. So if we click the bottom there, and you've got these 8 boxes, click on the 8 boxes, that mirrors your phone screen. It's also showing the text that's just come there, but I won't open it there. You'll see there's a message there for me, the one in the top. So, read messages.
Barry sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Volkswagen Polo. It's absolutely fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
You want to play music? Play Drops of Jupiter.
Here's Train, Drops of Jupiter.
So as you can see, that you can ask it to play a specific record. If you want to, here we go, press the voice activation again. Shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
As I say, it's a fantastic system. Sat-nav, this vehicle doesn't have sat-nav, but if you plug your phone into Apple CarPlay or the Android system, then you'll see here, I'll just show you, that's the Apple sat-nav. If you have it on the other screen, if we just go back to the boxes and then flip it across, that's kind of your menu screen. It tells you how long it's going to take to get home, or in my case, when I'm out videoing, it tells me how long it's going to take me to get to Chipping Farm Shop for a sausage sandwich. It tells you what record is playing there. But you want to navigate somewhere. Again, voice activation. Take me to McDonald's.
One option is McDonald's. Would you like to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
You'll see the go button there. You don't have to do anything. If you just leave it and carry on driving, it will automatically start directions to McDonald's. And it's also, I don't know if you can see there, but if you've set it, it also comes up on your watch as well. Navigate to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
That's it. It's not foolproof, as you could see. What else? I mean, it just is a fantastic system. If we just swipe along there, maps, messages, it's giving me directions there, which I don't want, so just go back there. You can go back to Volkswagen, clicking there. Audio books, you can listen to any audio books. If I click on audio books there, all my books. Go back, swipe along. Your calendar, you can use your calendar in conjunction with maps, and make a note in your calendar to tell you, to remind you something, and it'll come up when you get to work. You can set all sorts of things. Absolutely brilliant. Audible, WhatsApp, it's YouTube Music even. Let's just go on YouTube Music. Loading. My Super Mix. I've never really used it before, so let's see. Hits by the decade. The hits playlist, hits the 70s. Go on, that sounds more like me. Actually, that's pretty good. It's one of my favourite records. So, fantastic system, easy to use. There used to be on a program on the TV, Catchphrase, I think it was called, and it used to say what you see. Well, it's the same thing. You want to navigate, you want to play music, you click the voice activation, 2 seconds, wait till it comes up, and then just tell it what you want it to do. It's brilliant. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.